Now the gland on the throttle ring and the gland nut have been removed. Now we remove the throttle ring. Okay, the throttle ring is removed. We put the middle body upside down. We remove this iron box inside, which is also called iron group. We're going to renew them. Okay, let's tidy up. Separate the iron box and the iron pieces. There is one O-ring on each iron box. It is one O-ring. Check whether it's damaged. If it's damaged, we need to renew the O-ring. Then we're going to renew this iron group. Let's prepare new iron group first. Iron pieces are divided into straight mouth and inclined mouth. There are words on them. Let's take a look. There are English. They are special symbols. Install in the order of the symbols. Each iron piece has 3 petals. One petal on which 2 symbols with the other 2 petals having 1 symbol on each side, which form a complete iron piece.